Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by assessing the web and the spider's position. Note height, size, and nearby furniture so you plan a gentle retrieval path. Once done, prepare a smooth stick and an empty spool or a folded cardboard. Make sure the stick's tip is clean to avoid tearing the web. Slowly approach from below or the side. Move steadily to avoid startling the spider. Use the spool to wind string where the web attaches rather than pulling directly on silk fibers. Once you've stabilized an anchor point with the stick, use the spool to catch and wind the string along the web's attachment, keeping tension low so strands don't snap. Make sure to guide, not yank. You want the web to transfer gradually. If the spider is on the web, coax it with a soft brush onto a safe section you are preserving. Maintain steady hands. Any quick movement can collapse the structure and endanger the spider or silk. To finish, anchor the wound string to the spool or a piece of card and tie a small knot so it won't unwind. Once secured, position the spool where you'll set the web down and gently let the preserved section make contact with a safe surface. Guide the spider off without touching its body. Make sure the web remains supported while you step back. If strands break, use a fine brush to reconnect threads, common troubleshooting. If web collapses, stop, regroup, and try smaller sections next.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.